Hello everyone. Today, we will explore an essential process in road construction: surface cleaning before laying asphalt using a skid steer loader. This is a crucial step to ensure the quality and durability of the road surface after construction. 1. Benefits of surface cleaning. Dust and small debris on the road surface can reduce the adhesion of asphalt to the underlying surface, leading to peeling after a short time. By using a skid steer loader to vacuum and clean the surface, we ensure that the asphalt layer bonds more securely, helping to extend the road's lifespan. 2. Efficiency of the skid steer loader *. The skid steer loader is designed to be flexible and powerful, allowing it to clean the surface quickly and efficiently. With its high capacity, the machine can remove all types of dirt, from fine dust to larger debris, ensuring the surface meets the highest standards before the asphalt is laid. Cleaning process *. The surface cleaning process before asphalt paving involves three main steps. Step 1. The skid steer loader is operated evenly across the surface, using brushes or a vacuum system to remove dust and debris. Step 2. The machine vacuums up all dirt and foreign objects, ensuring the surface is free of contaminants. Final step. After the surface is clean, asphalt paving begins, ensuring a strong bond between the asphalt and the underlying surface. In summary, using a skid steer loader for surface cleaning before laying asphalt not only increases construction efficiency but also ensures the quality and longevity of the road. This is a key step in modern road construction.